That is better. Welcome you guys to the Ocho Rios Marine Park. This is where, ladies and gentlemen, we are on an anchor. So the closer you go to the coral reef, this excursion is a guided excursion as well.
No, put the mask down.
So cool.
I know. I'm asking my husband to bring it, and he don't want to float. He's not gonna sing. Children, those are my Rizzy.
Ali gone too.
Ali, where's Dania? Dania, you gonna go? Where my dad? Oh, my dad is out there.
Yes.
The water cool or the water warm? Have fun, okay? Riri, you want to carry this camera? Because I remember.
Okay, how are you gonna save everybody?
Yes, yes. I play my plane and just take care of them. That's all to the night. Go ahead here.
Get shut out. Shut out.
Alright, we're ready.
Hold the breath. You can't breathe on the water. Come on, no, I just go.
I got Gabby's on the boat. Freedom. Yeah. Over, right, Daniel? Yes. And Gabby is beautiful. Get the camera ready again.